Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the best things to do in Shenzhen, China. This city is exploding with energy, culture, and adventure. You've got towering skyscrapers, insane street food, and unique experiences. Theme parks that'll blow your mind, nightlife that never sleeps, and stunning parks. If you've ever thought about visiting Shenzhen, this is your sign to book that trip. You don't want to miss this. First up, we're hitting Shenzhen's electric nightlife at SeaWorld. This vibrant area is a hotspot for both locals and tourists, offering a unique blend of entertainment and relaxation. As the sun sets, the atmosphere transforms into a lively playground. This place is buzzing after dark. The streets are filled with people enjoying the night, from families taking evening strolls to friends gathering for a night out. The energy here is palpable. Imagine the city lights reflecting off the water, surrounded by the energy of 1,000 conversations. The waterfront is particularly stunning, with lights dancing on the waves, creating a mesmerizing view. Live music spills out of bars, incredible food cooks in the open air, and the vibe is electric. Musicians play everything from jazz to rock, adding to the dynamic atmosphere. Outdoor dining options are plentiful, offering a variety of cuisines. Grab a drink at a rooftop bar or find a hidden speakeasy. These spots offer a more intimate setting, perfect for a quiet conversation or simply enjoying the view of the city skyline. Street food vendors with sizzling skewers, high-end restaurants, and everything in between. The culinary scene here is diverse, catering to all tastes and preferences. Whether you're in the mood for a quick snack or a gourmet meal, you'll find it here. SeaWorld is where Shenzhen comes to unwind and really live. It's a place where memories are made, and every night feels like a celebration. The variety of activities ensures there's something for everyone. Feel the pulse of the city here. The vibrant nightlife, the diverse food options, and the lively atmosphere make SeaWorld a must-visit destination in Shenzhen. Come and experience it for yourself. Next up, we're taking you around the world without leaving Shenzhen. Welcome to Window of the World, a theme park with miniature versions of iconic landmarks. Walk past the Eiffel Tower, then find yourself face-to-face with the Statue of Liberty. It's a photographer's dream with detailed replicas, but it's not just about the sights. Thrilling rides, captivating shows, and endless entertainment await. Window of the World is an absolute must-visit. We're hitting the pause button and escaping to tranquility. In the midst of our busy lives, it's essential to find moments of calm and serenity. Shenzhen Bay Park offers just that. Shenzhen Bay Park is a sprawling green oasis in the heart of the city. It's a place where nature and urban life coexist harmoniously, providing a perfect escape from the daily grind. Walk along pathways shaded by palm trees, feeling the gentle breeze on your face. The park's well-maintained trails invite you to explore and discover its hidden gems. With the scent of salt water and blooming flowers, the vibrant colors and fragrant aromas create a sensory experience that rejuvenates the soul. Escape the hustle and bustle, clear your head, and reconnect with nature. Whether you're meditating, reading a book, or simply sitting in silence, the park offers a sanctuary for everyone. Gaze at the Hong Kong skyline, a stunning backdrop that adds to the park's charm. The view is especially breathtaking during sunset, painting the sky with hues of orange and pink, or find a quiet spot by the water. The gentle lapping of the waves and the serene environment make it an ideal place for reflection and peace. Shenzhen Bay Park is a place to find peace and tranquility. It's a reminder that amidst the chaos there are always places where we can find solace and reconnect with ourselves. Get ready to unleash your inner shopaholic in a retail paradise. Luohu Commercial City in Shenzhen is a dream come true for anyone who loves to shop. Imagine a place where every corner you turn there's something new to discover. Welcome to Luohu Commercial City, a labyrinth of shops, stalls, and deals. This bustling marketplace is a treasure trove of goods waiting to be explored. Everything from electronics to clothing, gadgets to gizmos, you name it, they have it. Accessories, souvenirs, and so much more. It's a one-stop shop for all your needs. And the best part? You can haggle. Yes, bargaining is not just allowed, it's encouraged. The thrill of the bargain is half the fun. It's an exhilarating experience to negotiate and walk away with a great deal. Luohu Commercial City is an experience in itself. The energy is contagious, the atmosphere electric, and the people-watching opportunities are endless. From locals to tourists, everyone is here to find something special. Whether you're a seasoned shopper or looking for a unique souvenir, this is a must-visit. So come prepared to shop till you drop. Immerse yourselves in Shenzhen's thriving art scene. Welcome to OCT Loft Creative Culture Park, where old factories become art galleries, cafes, and performance spaces. A haven for artists, musicians, and creativity lovers. Unique galleries showcase Shenzhen's artistic spirit. This is the heart and soul of Shenzhen's creative energy. So there you have it, a glimpse into the heart and soul of Shenzhen. From electric nightlife to tranquil parks, shopping extravaganzas to artistic havens, Shenzhen has something for everyone. If this video got your travel bug buzzing, give it a thumbs up and share it. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and keep living life to the fullest. Peace out.